Finance Secretary Ralph Recto says that the Philippine economy remains resilient despite U.S. President Donald Trump imposing nearly 20% tariffs on Philippine exports. Jin Kim has the details.
Despite the impact of new U.S.-imposed tariffs on Philippine exports, Malacanang's economic advisor Frederick Go remains unfazed, even calling the move an opportunity to attract investors and grow exports.
For me, I think my point of view is this is a reality. No, I think if you want to keep being in denial, it's up to everybody. But to me, this is an opportunity to attract investments.
The United States imposed reciprocal tariffs on imports from key Asian exporters, with the Philippines facing a 17% rate, significantly lower than Vietnam at 46%, Thailand at 37%, and China with 34%.
I think if the Asian countries that have higher tariffs would set up manufacturing facilities in the Philippines, that would be music to our ears. No? That's exactly why we have Create More. That's exactly why we have we put in all these incentives in the Create More Act, no? to attract them to come to the Philippines. And now they have an added reason, apart from our fiscal incentives that we provide them.
Finance Secretary Ralph Recto echoed Go's sentiment, saying the Philippine economy remains relatively resilient amid global trade shifts thanks to its domestic demand-driven structure. Recto added that the country's stronghold in coconut oil exports gives it an edge under the new tariff landscape. He also stressed the need to diversify export destinations beyond the United States. Meanwhile, on the side of the Department of Trade and Industry, Secretary Roque said she views the tariff shift with guarded optimism, underscoring as well the importance of seizing the so-called advantage. The department also noted that certain products, including copper ores, concentrates, and integrated circuits, are exempted from the tariff hikes. However, it is closely studying the potential impact on agri-based exports, which were not included in the exemptions. Roque said the Philippines will push for enhanced market access for exports such as automobiles, dairy products, frozen meat, and soybeans. Finally, the American Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines, or AmCham, said it remains committed to strengthening economic ties. Jin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.